Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making orange chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 2 chicken breasts cubed, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, or you can use fresh ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a large measuring cup, we're going to add in our orange juice. To that, we're going to add in also our chicken broth. You want to add your honey, your vinegar, your soy sauce, your ginger, red pepper flakes, and also our minced garlic. And we're just going to whisk that together until it's all well combined. Now you want to add in your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're just going to mix that until well combined. Now to our chicken, I added my salt and ground black pepper. And we're also going to add in our 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now all you want to do is mix that until it's well combined and all the pieces are nicely coated. Now to a pan, we're going to add in our olive oil. You want to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to begin to add in our chicken. Once you added your chicken into the pan, you want to let it cook for about 2 minutes on each side until it's brown. I've flipped our chicken over. We're going to let it cook for another couple minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to pour in our sauce. I'm going to go ahead and stir that. And we're going to put it on medium heat. And we're going to let that cook for 10 minutes until it has thickened up. Look how nice that is. It's starting to thicken up already. It smells delicious. Okay guys, look how beautiful this sauce is on this chicken. It's now done, so you can go ahead and turn off your heat. Okay guys, so you can pair it with some white rice. So all I'm going to do now is put some of our chicken over top. This sauce is so nice and thick. It has so much flavor. guys. This is better than takeout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.